Now some ADV bikes, they have fancy electronics, but a price tag that makes you question, should I get a part-time job on top of my full-time job? And other bikes, they don't. The KLR has a fuel tank the size of a bathtub, the attitude of a cockroach that just won't die, all while being able to save you some money so you can get out there and enjoy your adventure. Now these bikes, they were around when mullets were cool the first time around. They've crossed continents and survived more crashes than you have playing Mario Kart as a kid. Rainbow Road, if you know, you know. And it's still one of the best adventure bikes out there. Why? It's stupidly cheap, it's incredibly reliable, and it'll get you home even if you treat it like complete garbage. Now let's break down why the KLR 650s are one of the best bang for your bucks for ADV riding. Let's go. Now this liquid-cooled, single-cylinder thumping machine, it's built like a tank. It's got few electronics for things to break down, and it just shrugs off the abuse. Now it has a fuel range that should never leave you packing more. With basic upkeep, this thing can rack up the miles, all while giving you years and years of happiness. It just keeps on thumping, just like the Energizer Bunny. And at the end of the day, this bike, it doesn't give you the excuse of, oh, I don't want to ride anymore, I don't have enough time, kids. When the reality is, you don't want to be dealing with that overpriced, high-maintenance bike that you currently have. This thing is built to ride, not sit in the garage waiting for parts. You're actually going to go out there and go on an adventure, because that's what it's meant to do. Go on adventures. ADV, adventure bike. Now compare the KLR's price to modern ADV bikes. For the price of a brand new GS, you could buy a KLR, outfitted with luggage, a tent, a year's worth of fuel, and still have money left over to buy the earrings your wife really, really wants. And guess what? It will go anywhere that GS goes. So the KLRs, they're kind of the mosquitoes of the ADV world. They're just always there. Now maintenance, sure, change the oil, clean the air filter if you're feeling fancy, and it's still gonna outlast your buddies who have that expensive ADV bike that keeps throwing error codes. And let's talk about fuel efficiency. This thing sips gas like it's at a wine tasting, stretching every drop while your friends are hunting for premium fuel like it's liquid gold. Meanwhile, you're topping up with whatever mystery juice the last gas station had in stock. And the KLR, it just burps it out like Homer Simpson and keeps on going. Now owning a KLR isn't just about saving money. It's about proving to you and everyone else that you can have incredible adventures without having to sell pictures of your feet just so you can cover the cost. Now, while other riders are out there crying about the $1,500 service bill, you're out there laughing, enjoying yourself on an adventure that they should be on too. Living the dream on a bike that costs less than it does to maintain a lawnmower. And yeah, it's heavy, it's definitely on the heavier side, but so is every adventure bike out there. Do you expect a featherweight motocross rocket? Nope, it's built like a tank, and that's the point. Now, it's not gonna win any drag races, but it'll give you a little bit extra time on your adventure to actually enjoy your adventure because you're going a little slower because it's not that fast. There's no fancy electronics, doesn't have ABS, doesn't have traction control. Heck, these ones don't even have fuel injection. But that's just fewer things to break down on you when you're 300 kilometers away from the nearest cell service for someone to pick you up. Now, you don't know what the doohickey is? You will. And only KLR owners came up with something so funny that you would never forget what the doohickey is. It's the doohickey. That's what it is. Now, don't like carburetors? That's okay. In 2022, they switched to a fuel injection setup. So now you don't have any excuse to not buy a KLR. You got the fuel injected, you got the carburetor. Now, it doesn't do anything great, nothing fantastic, nothing that stands out. It does everything good enough. It'll get you out on the trails, it'll get you out exploring where you need to be. It's decent on the highway, and again, budget friendly. So if you're looking for an adventure bike that maybe you don't know if you're gonna be into this type of thing, this is definitely one to start. Or if you're a seasoned guy who's been to Tuktoyaktuk or over to Europe and back, then maybe this is the bike for you too. It's so versatile for anyone and whatever their needs are. Now, you don't always have to get that expensive adventure bike, the newest, latest, greatest model. It's kind of like those people who own BMWs, you know? It's mainly a status thing. I own a BMW, but should I? There's a lot that goes wrong. I don't like BMWs. Now, if someone were to give me a BMW GS, then, I mean, how could you say no to that, right? But that's not happening. The KLR 650 is and always will be the people's adventure bike. Now, what do you guys think? Are the KLRs the best bang for your buck for ADV bikes? Not dual sport, ADV bikes? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.